start. Okay? Very good, everyone. So, the last question is, why is spoken word poetry part of today's literatures? Why spoken word poetry is part of today's literatures? Again, why spoken word poetry is part of today's literatures? So, who can share? Who can share? Anyone? Anyone, class? Anyone? Just stand up. Huwag kayong mahiya. Be confident to yourself. Okay? Miss, how about Mr. Sino pangalan? Mr. Pudan. Sorry, nakalimutan ko yung pangalan mo. Why is spoken word poetry part of today's literatures? Nanaman po no? Nanaman sa ang spoken word poetry to today's literatures? Yes, that's correct, Mr. Pudan. Perfect answer. Spoken word poetry is our voice. It's talk about the generation, our generation. It's talk about the emotions, the feelings, the dreams, and the stories, and our stories. So it is a pocket. That's why it is part of our literature today because it is real. Nakita po dito siya, dito sa kamalbutan for today's generation or today's world, modern world. So, napart siya or nabilang siya sa ato ang today's literatures. Naksa mo na po? Class? Narapagawin kayo ka? Any comments or suggestions or clarifications? Anyone? Ano, may nangaling ka or nangaling ka? Any clarifications? May isang tawag mahiya, be confident in yourselves. Okay? Wala na mo? To summarize, our discussion today is why presenting shows that the real experience of students are stress, pressures, but also our determination is deserve to be good. Or hindi sila ito kami naroon. Diba? Am I right? Hindi ko kayo. Kailang orbital. Ayun. Sige. And then, it is a form of contemporary literature because it uses modern way of storytelling. It is used as modern storytelling through spoken word poetry, not just written but spoken word poetry. Am I right? Yes. Okay. These poems remind us that the struggles, the trials, or challenges deserve to be heard, and we should never stop because we have our dreams, we have our goals. We should continue and never stop believing in yourself. Pinaka-importante nila ang kananga, believe ourselves. Ha? Tama ba ko? Am I right? It's a strong and powerful tool that can share because it uses performance, it uses our voices, it uses us to speak up and has freedom to may magawa sa kung ibati. Dili lang sa written, kundi sa atong verbal. Okay? Okay, nagsawag na mo nga ang spoken word poetry is very powerful tool. Ha? Everyone, nagsawag na mo. So, spoken word poetry, this is who are the students, and our voices deserve to be heard. Deserve yun na po nga. Isa man, paminawon. Kaya dato mo mga kuhan, mga hinanakin sa itong kagaling mo lang, need na itong pagkawas. Diha sa pagkawahan. So, our stories deserve to be heard. Nagdadalahin ng emosyon, nagdadalahin ng tagpuan, pero need na ipagawa sa itong kagaling mo or makakadulong umuban para sa ilang maganda. Am I right? Okay. Thank you very much. So, wala na ba may clarification or any nakalagdan mo? So, let's move on. Now, class, it's your turn to show your creativity. All of you in four groups now, four. Okay, group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4. Okay. What you need to do is each group create a short spoken word poetry at least 3 stanza and has a 4 lines. Okay? Each group will create a short spoken word poetry with at least 3 stanzas and 4 lines per stanza. It shows your real experience of the students. Kung sa iluhan na feel or the experience sa matagadlaw. Okay? At least 3 stanzas with 4 lines per stanza. So now, you have a few minutes or you have 15 minutes to do it. So, then each of you will perform dito sa front class at all. Okay? Let's start. Begin na. Form a circle. Every group form a circle. Let's start. Okay, time's up. Let's start with the first group. Group 1, please stand here. Please come here in front to perform. And give your criteria for judging criteria ninyo. Criteria for your performance. So, creativity, 5 points. Contents and relevance, 5 points. Delivery and expression, 5 points. So, I total of 15 points. So, let's start with 1. Be confident to yourself, ma'am. Be confident. Okay? Let's start with 1. Very nice. Let's give them a round of applause. Very nice. First one. Yes, first area of the students. Full of challenges, but full of hope. So, great teamwork. So, you have 14 points. Next group. Are you ready? Okay. Let's start. Group 2. Let's start with 2. Please make it faster because the time is running. Please. Wow! Very fantastic performance, Group 2. I like that. Excuse me. That's a very heartwarming performance. You show that the students' life is full of struggle. It is not just about the grade, but it is about someone. It's all about the support and friendship. So, yes, it's very important to have friendship or na saman. Support na sa tulang sa itong mga kaila or itong friendship. So, our friend. So, very good group 2, very nice performance. Let's give them a round of applause, please. You have given 15 points. Perfect. Let's start group 3. Let's start. Demo. Be organized. Okay? Maglinya mo ba rin? Absolutely relatable. The students can also feel that you perform with real emotions. So very good, group 3. I appreciate your effort. You have 14 points. Let's give a round of applause, please. Okay, let's move on. The last group, okay? Let's start. Hurry up. Let's start everyone. Please, faster. Hindi mag-aya-aya. Ay, kapit ang oras. Gutom na po. Last group 4. Beautiful message. They relate. They relate the message from the spoken word poetry, and then reminded us that even if it's hard, our dreams make every sacrifice is worth it. Okay? So, dili jud mabaliwala ka ako ang sacrifices. Najunay worth it or najunay mahitabo. Bisan pa man, buk na jud ato ang kuhaan nato sa problema sa matagad para makuha nato or maangkon nato ang atong goal or dreams in life na junay values, okay, ka success. So very good everyone. That's great performance. Thank you for your preparation. Konnichiwa. Each group has a different story, but the same message. Now we still believe yourself, even though for despite of every problem or many problems that we have faces in our daily life, we need to sacrifice in order to get saman para makuha nato ang atuang goals sa atong kinabuhi. So, that's the beauty of the spoken word poetry. It gives us a voice to express our feelings. Mo gibon sa ako nakakalat na i-express nila ang ibati through spoken word poetry. Okay, guys?